am Castro, and I have been helping students a lot on mathematics. Today's session is on modular arithmetic, and this is for the SHS2 students, that's the senior high school 2. For modular arithmetic, the key thing you should know is that only remainders are written as our answers. I repeat, for modular arithmetic, only remainders are written as our answers. And today's session is on two main objectives. That's a brief introduction of modulo, and two, finding values of a given modulo. Let's move on to today's session. So, brief introduction of modular arithmetic. For modulo, only remainders are written. Always, if you see mode means division. Mode, division must come in mind. Division must come in mind. So if I say 3 mod 2 is the same as 3 divided by 2. 5 mod 1 is 5 divided by 1. 10 mod 8 is 10 divided by 8. So mode means division. So you can be asked to find the value of numbers for a given modulo. And always, if you are asked to find in maybe mode 1, your answer should remain as 0. Mode 2 is 0, 1. You shouldn't see these two inside your answer. Mode 3 is 0, 1, 2. 3 shouldn't be part of your answer. Mode 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3. Mode 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the mode they will talk about, the answer shouldn't be part. Mode 7, it should end at 6. Mode 10, it should end at 9. So you should know this one. You should note it carefully because this will guide you in modulo. And for modulo, as I said, only remainders are written. Always note that if the value given in the question is less than the modulo, you maintain it as it is. For instance, if I give you 4 mod 5, you see 5 cannot go into 4. So the answer is what? 4. 7 mod 9. It becomes 7 because 9 can't go into 7. 20 mod 50. The answer is 20. So this is what I am talking about. Now let us move on to if the number given is negative. You keep on adding that number to the modulo given in the question until you get a positive value. If I give you negative 2 mod 5, 5 can't go into negative 2, so it becomes negative 2 plus 5. And negative 2 plus 5 is what? 3. Our answer is 3. Negative 8 mod 2. 2 can't go into negative 8, so it becomes negative 8 plus 2, which is negative 6. So we are getting negative. So you keep on adding your mod to it. This one too is negative 4. So negative 4 plus 2 is what? Negative what? 2. Negative 2 plus 2, we are getting 0. So our answer for this question is 0. We want a positive value. Let's take the final example. The final example. Negative 10 plus 2 mod 3. So negative 10 plus 2 is what? Negative 8. Negative 8 mod 3. And negative 8 mod 3. 3 goes into negative 8. It can be. So it becomes negative 8 plus 3, which is negative 5. Negative 5 plus 3 is what? Negative 2. Negative 2 plus 3, we are getting 1 because we are interested in positive values. So let's take some questions. Some questions under finding the value of numbers for a given modulo. I wanted you to know some principle in modulo that if the value given in the question is less than the modulo, you maintain your answer as the same number. And also, if you are given a negative number, you keep on adding the modulo till you get a positive answer. So let us take this example. 7 mod 2. 7 mod 2 is the same as 7 divided by 2. And 2 goes into 7, how many? 3. Remainder 1. We are interested in remainders here for modulo. Thirty mod 5 is the same as 30 divided by 5. 5 goes into 36, remainder 0. So 6, remainder 0. You write your remainder. And this number can be written as 6 times 5 mod 5. Instead of them to give you 30 mod 5, they will rather give you this. So you should first simplify this one before, because in math, bracket first. 6 times 5 is what? 30 mod 5. And you get the same answer as 0. Let's take 8 plus 5 mod 4. So 8 plus 5 is what? 13 mod 4. So 13 mod 4. Mod is division. 4 goes into 13, 3. Because 4 times 3, 12. Remainder 1. You won't write this 3, you write this 1. 10 times 4 mod 4. So 10 times 4 is what? 40 mod 4. 4 goes into 40, 10. Remainder 0. So you write your remainder. So let me give you this trial question so that you try your hands on. Trial question. Trial questions. Find the values of the following given modulo. 1. 30 mod 7. 2. 9 mod 10. 3. Negative 4 mod 10. 4. Negative 3. No, negative 2 mod 5. 5. 5 times 8 mod 4. 6. 3 plus 5 mod 9. So this brings us to the end of this section. Thank you.